popular social media apps from different countries. So let's start. WhatsApp from United States, Twitter from United States, Snapchat from United States, TikTok from China, Telegram from Russia, Instagram from United States, Reddit from United States, LinkedIn from Russia, WeChat from China, IMO from United States, Pixel Lab from United States, YouTube from United States, Pinterest from United States, KineMaster from South Korea, Messenger from United States, Likey from Singapore, Snake Video from China, Skype from Luxembourg, Viber from Cyprus, PixArt from Armenia, Discord from United States, Zoom app from United States, VK from Russia, Line from Japan, CapCut from China, Kakao Talk from South Korea, Spotify from Sweden, Hello from China, Tumblr from United States, Weibo from China, InShort from China, Facebook from United States. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel for more informative videos.